Hello everyone and welcome to the program. This is Politics Today live on Channels Television. Today on the program, Supreme Court sacks Bayelsa State Governor-elect Mr. David Lyon hours before the scheduled inauguration and ordered INEC to withdraw certificate of return from the APC candidate and give to the runner-up in the race. Plus, we're seeing from Abuja, the national chairman of the APC said there won't be an inauguration tomorrow in Bayelsa State, and the East Party will not take the Apex Court judgment lightly. It's promised also that they will challenge it as the governor, Seriake Dixon, and PDP supporters are jubilating in Yenagua. That's our focus tonight, everyone. Welcome on the show. Now, let's get talking. Tonight, we're staying on what has become a major talking point in Nigeria's politics today. A lot of people are talking about what the Supreme Court judgment is all about, what a day it is, with some of the interesting news coming out of the highest court in the land when the court says that the Bayelsa State Governor-elect, Mr. David Lyon, will be nullified as a governor, and the Apex Court is asking that a certificate of return be withdrawn. We get a robust conversation on that matter tonight. We get a legal and a party divide in this conversation. Let's kick off by getting you up to date with some of the political stories that we may not be discussing on our political roundup.
A federal high court sitting in Abuja has fixed the 11th to the 13th of March 2020 for the trial of the convener of Revolution Now, Mr. Sowore and Olawale Bakare. The trial judge, Justice Ijoma Ojukwu, fixed the date after the defendants pleaded not guilty to an amended two-count charge of conspiracy to commit treasonable felony and treasonable felony. Mr. Sowore, while pleading his innocence, informed the court that he pleaded not guilty based on the advice of his legal team. Although the defendant lawyers admit that the prosecutor has complied with the order of the court by paying the sum of 200,000 naira awarded against them for a frivolous request for an adjournment, the case could not go on due to the inability of the prosecution team to provide a DVD player to enable them view the evidence against the defendants. The House of Representatives is asking President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a state of emergency in the power sector. The resolution of the House was reached following a motion raised by Representative Najin Nolim. The lawmakers are optimistic that fixing the electricity problem of the country will boost small and medium enterprises and improve the employment rate in the country. Governors of the Southwest states and the Inspector General of Police are in Lagos to discuss issues on community policing. The chief host, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Inspector General of Police Mohammed Adamu, Ekiti State Governor Kayode Fayemi, Rotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State, Deputy Governor of Oyo Rauf Olaniyan, Deputy Governor of Ogun Naimot Oyedele Salako, as well as Deputy Governor of Osun Benedict Alabi, are all in attendance to reach an agreement on community policing and the modalities in the region. Governor Sanwo-Olu says community policing will kick off from Lagos, which is why they are here to strategize on how to achieve the goal. The Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun has called for the declaration of state of emergency on some federal roads in the state, saying that the current nature of the roads has continued to affect industrial and economic growth of the state and its people. He made the call while the Senate Committee on Works paid him a courtesy call in his office in Abeokuta, the state capital, where he solicited the support of the National Assembly and the federal government on the state of federal roads in the state. Lawmakers in the Imo State House of Assembly have passed a vote of confidence on the Supreme Court of Nigeria by declaring Senator Hope Uzodinma winner of the 2019 governorship election in the state. This motion was moved during a special plenary at the State House of Assembly by Kennedy Ibe, lawmaker representing Obawa State constituency, while stating that a commendation letter be written to the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Mohammed Tanko. Two members of the House of Representatives from Imo State have defected to the All Progressives Congress. They are Uju Kingsley Chima and Pascal Chigozie Obi, both from the Action Alliance. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, was in the Green Chamber to receive them. He was accompanied by Senator Rochas Okorocha and his son-in-law Uche Nwosu, who contested for governor under the Action Alliance party.